Amphenol ICC's Minitek MicroSpace Crimp-to-Wire connector platform offers high signal density in applications requiring flexible configurations and high vibration endurance. The connectors use a unique design that meets automotive LV214 Severity-2 standards on a 1.8, 1.5, or 1.27 millimeter pitch and can reduce PCB footprint by up to 50%. The connector platform includes single and dual row configurations with up to 16 positions and current ratings up to 4 amps per contact. The Amphenol ICC Minitek MicroSpace Crimp-to-Wire connector platform is available in top and side latch versions and includes a TPA device as well as an optional CPA device. The connectors use poka-yoke polarization to prevent mismating and use an existing crimp section and automated crimp tooling for wires up to 22 AWG.